Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to restrict editing in Google Sheets so you can control who can view, edit, or modify your data. This is very useful when you are working with clients, teams, or sensitive information. So let's get started. First, open your Google Sheets file that you want to protect. Now look at the top right corner of your screen and click the Share button. A sharing window will appear where you control access to your sheet. If you want to stop people from editing the entire sheet, make sure their permission is set to viewer or commenter, not editor. Just click the drop-down next to their email and change the role. Now, if you want more control and only restrict certain parts of the sheet, you can protect specific ranges. Select the cells or columns you want to lock. Then go to the top menu and click Data. From the drop-down, select Protect Sheets and Ranges. A sidebar will open on the right side of the screen. Click Add a Sheet or Range. Make sure your selected range is correct, then click Set Permissions. Now you will choose who can edit this range. You can select only you or allow specific people to edit while blocking everyone else. Once you save the settings, those cells will be locked. If someone tries to edit them, they will get a warning message saying they don't have permission. Next, if you want to protect an entire sheet instead of just a range, go back to Protect Sheets and Ranges. This time, choose the Sheet tab instead of a range. Then set permissions the same way. This is very useful when you want to share reports but prevent accidental changes to formulas or important data. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to restrict editing in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Sheets tips and tutorials.